In a world where earning while you sleep sounds like a fairy tale, what if I told you that it's not only possible, but simpler than you've ever imagined with the latest AI technology? Have you ever wondered if there's a way to turn your free time into a consistent income without the hassle of a 9-to-5 job? Everyone's looking for ways to earn more without grinding through long hours. The struggle is real when it comes to finding reliable methods that don't demand all your time. Today, I'm going to show you how DeepSeek AI can revolutionize your approach to passive income in 2025, turning what seems impossible into your next income stream. Understanding the basics of DeepSeek AI. DeepSeek AI isn't just a regular tool. It's like having a futuristic robot sidekick that's smarter than ever before. This AI can sift through mountains of data to analyze markets, revealing trends that are invisible to the average person's eye. Whether you're into tech gadgets, fashion, or even ebooks, DeepSeek can pinpoint what's about to become hot. It goes beyond basic predictions. It uses advanced algorithms to forecast demand, ensuring you're always ahead of the curve. This capability makes it an invaluable asset for anyone looking to capitalize on market trends. The best part about DeepSeek? It's completely free and designed with simplicity in mind, making it accessible to everyone, from seasoned marketers to complete beginners. You don't need to be a tech wizard to use it. Its user-friendly interface guides you through processes step by step, turning complex market analysis into a few clicks. This ease of use democratizes the power of AI, opening up opportunities for anyone to create digital products that meet real-time demands without any upfront investment. Finding your niche. Identifying the right niche is crucial for any successful online business, and DeepSeek makes this usually daunting task a breeze. By leveraging DeepSeek, you can uncover niches filled with potential that are perfectly aligned with your interests and the current market demand. It's all about finding that sweet spot where your passions meet consumer needs. DeepSeek analyzes search trends, social media buzz, and consumer behavior to suggest niches that aren't just profitable, but also sustainable in the long run. To get started, simply navigate to the DeepSeek prompt interface and enter something like identify top profitable niches in year. This command cues DeepSeek to deploy its analytical prowess and retrieve a list of booming markets tailored to the current economic landscape. It'll provide you with a detailed report highlighting the strengths and opportunities within each niche, enabling you to make an informed decision on which market to enter. This hands-on approach not only educates you about market dynamics, but also empowers you to start your venture on the right foot. First, creating digital products. To do ebooks. Once you've pinpointed your niche using DeepSeek, the next step is to transform those insights into a marketable digital product, like an ebook. This process begins with DeepSeek generating a wealth of ebook ideas and content outlines that cater specifically to your chosen niche. For example, if you've decided on personal development, DeepSeek can suggest trending topics within that area, such as mindfulness techniques or productivity hacks. This ensures that your ebook meets current consumer interests and has a higher potential for success. To generate content, input a prompt in DeepSeek, asking for detailed chapter outlines or even complete sections of content based on the most popular queries in your niche. For instance, you might type, "Generate a detailed outline for a beginner's guide to mindfulness," and DeepSeek will deliver a structured framework for your ebook, filled with key points to cover in each chapter. This method not only saves time, but also enhances the quality of your content by aligning it with what people are actively seeking, ensuring your ebook is both informative and engaging. Setting up your ebook for sale. Once your ebook content is ready, the next crucial step is formatting it to look professional and easy to read. This involves choosing a clean, attractive layout that enhances readability, using tools like Adobe InDesign, or even simpler options like Microsoft Word. Formatting includes setting consistent margins, choosing readable fonts, and organizing content into digestible sections. Remember, the visual appeal of your ebook can be just as important as the content, as it's the first thing potential readers will notice. Adding a professional cover is another key step, and thankfully, AI tools like Canva's AI-assisted design features can help you create eye-catching covers without needing any graphic design skills. Simply input your ebook's title, select a design theme that fits your niche, and let the AI propose a range of covers. Choose one and tweak it to perfection. Additionally, don't forget to include a disclaimer in your ebook stating that the content was generated with the assistance of AI. This transparency builds trust with your readers by clarifying the nature of the content and its creation process, which is crucial in maintaining credibility and ethical standards in AI-assisted projects. How to set up an online store with platforms like Hostinger. Setting up an online store to sell your ebook can seem daunting, but platforms like Hostinger simplify the process. Hostinger offers user-friendly tools that allow you to build an e-commerce website without needing to know how to code. Start by choosing a plan that suits your needs. Hostinger provides various options that include free domains, email hosting, and SSL certificates, which are essential for building trust with your customers. Once you've registered and chosen your domain, you can use Hostinger's AI-powered website builder to design your store. Simply select an e-commerce template and customize it to match your brand and the ebooks you're selling. After designing your site, the next step is to add your products. Hostinger makes it easy to upload your ebook files and create detailed product pages that include descriptions, prices, and attractive images of your ebook covers. Set up payment gateways to process transactions. Hostinger supports multiple payment options, ensuring you can cater to a global audience. Finally, utilize Hostinger's marketing tools to optimize your site for search engines and integrate social media to drive traffic to your store. With your online store set up, you're ready to start selling your ebooks directly to consumers, keeping 100% of the profits. Alternative platforms like Amazon Kindle or Google Books for reaching a broader audience. For authors looking to reach a vast audience without the hassle of managing their own e-commerce site, platforms like Amazon Kindle and Google Books are invaluable. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, allows you to publish your ebooks with just a few clicks. The process is straightforward. Create an account, upload your ebook files, set your prices, and you're ready to go. KDP puts your ebook in front of millions of readers worldwide and offers tools like Kindle Unlimited, which can increase your book's exposure and earnings. Similarly, Google Books offers an easy way to distribute your ebooks. By signing up for the Google Playbooks Partner Center, you can upload your ebooks, manage sales, and reach readers across the globe through the Google Play Store. Both platforms handle all aspects of ebook distribution, from secure transactions to delivering the ebook to customers, allowing you to focus more on creating content rather than on the technicalities of selling it. These platforms typically retain a portion of sales as a commission, but offer the advantage of massive built-in audiences and promotional tools to help boost your visibility and sales. By leveraging these platforms, you can ensure your ebook gains maximum exposure and profitability. Thank you for watching. If we hit 500 likes on this video, I'll create a special follow-up just for you, diving even deeper into making money with AI. Your likes let me know you're interested, so hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Together, we can explore more incredible ways to earn passively. So, drop a like, share your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for more. Let's make it happen.